Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to create an account on QwenChat, Alibaba's AI-powered chatbot platform, and access the latest QwenLM-2.5-Max version. As the company claims, this model is better than ChatGPT's latest version and the DeepSeek model. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to https://chat.qwenlm.ai/. On the home page, look for the Sign Up button and click on it. Now, fill in the required details. Type your full name. Enter a valid email address that you have access to. Choose a strong password and confirm it by entering it again. Check this consent checkbox. Then, click on the Create Account button. After completing the registration form, a confirmation link will be sent to your email. Open your email inbox and look for a message from QwenChat. Click on the verification link inside the email to activate your account. Now click on Login and enter your email and password again. As you see, this is the QwenLM dashboard. To use the latest version of QwenLM, you need to select QwenLM-2.5-Max from the available options on the platform. Make sure you have switched to this version before starting any AI interactions. Now, you can start exploring and using QwenChat's AI for different tasks. You can ask questions, generate text, and test the AI's capabilities. By the way, I tested a similar aptitude math question on ChatGPT-4, QwenLM-2.5-Max, and DeepSeek AI, and they all gave me different results. You will be surprised by the outcome in my next video. I will put the link to that video in the description, so stay tuned. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI-related content. See you in the next video.